Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at optionalpha.com, and in this video tutorial I want to go over the number one adjustment that you can make for any trade that you make in the future. So far too often traders are focusing on the wrong things when it comes to making adjustments, and you know we're fans of letting the numbers work themselves out, as we say a bunch of times in video tutorials and blog posts and guides that we have at Option Alpha. And the reason we can have the confidence to say this and let the numbers work themselves out is because we do this one thing for each trade that we make, and you should do it too. And this one thing is that you have to keep your position sizes small. And it sounds so trivial, right? You hear this all the time, but it's so vital. And that's why this video and this topic is the first thing that we cover in this section about adjustments. And if you do this, you can afford to let the numbers work themselves out over time, because a handful of losing trades here or there won't kill you because they're going to be small trades. But many people always believe that with a small account, you quote-unquote need to trade larger positions to make up, again, quote-unquote lost ground that you have in commissions and time. And I hear this all the time, and I see it with students that I've coached over the last 8 years, is that they come to me and they have this small account size and they say, Kirk, that doesn't work for me. Or the yeah, but crowd comes in. Yeah, but I can't do that because I have a small account. Or yeah, but I can't do that because my commissions are too high. And so what we want to do is let you know through this tutorial and this case study that we're about to present that couldn't be further from the truth. And again, this case study is going to prove 100% why smaller positions are more profitable regardless of the win rate, which is so important. So the guys over at Tasty Trade did this study, and again, we'll link to this in the video below and in the notes on the page. This is not our study that we did, but it is a great study that proves the point here of why you have to trade small. So what they did is they had two traders that made the exact same trades, and they mimicked these trades over the course of, I believe it was 4 years or 5 years. It might have been almost 5 years. But again, same trades for both of the traders. And the only thing that they did different is that trader A traded each position with 5% of their account balance. And again, they started with $10,000. That's a very average account size in the industry. Most people who open up an account open it up with about $10,000. Trader B traded every single position with $50,000. Now, as you see right here in the middle, the number of wins in both cases for trader A and trader B, because they were making the same trades, was 74%. So almost 3 out of 4 trades that they made were wins. And you would think the person who's trading more of their account balance would actually end up with the bigger return at the end of the year. But that just wasn't the case. You can see the exact same win rate in both scenarios. It was trader A who traded a smaller portion of his account that actually ended up winning, and trader B, who was just over allocated but made the same trades with the same win rate, actually lost almost half of their account balance. So you can see that account balance and trade size has everything to do with your ability to be successful in this business. And you have to stay small so that those big trades that go against you, those black swan events or those long tail risk events that happen, which of course will happen as you start making more trades over the next couple of years, they don't eat up and blow up your account. And that's really the key here. So if you want a quick guide on how to use proper position sizing, be sure to check out our free tutorial and PDF inside the membership area. You can download it. It's a great quick grid that you can use to determine proper position sizing for your portfolio and account size. As always, if you guys have any comments or questions, please add them right below this video. And until next time, happy trading.